Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So, the Indian stock market has become like a tomato. It has become completely rare, and when this happens, I get a lot of messages that, sir, what is happening? We had just started SIP, now what should we do? What should we not do? How should we move forward in life? So today I have brought an analysis for you, some reasons why this market is falling in this manner. First thing, second thing, is it happening due to some fundamental flaw in the India or generally due to situation that has developed globally? And thirdly, a very important point, thing for which stay still till the end of this video. I will explain everything. See, whenever Nifty falls in this manner, then how much time has it generally taken to come back, and what are the experts saying at this time? What are the more changes of it happening? So like today in this video I will tell all the things. I will debunk why the market is falling, what are the reasons. I'm not a SEBI registered, but I want to give my commentary, or I want to keep my opinions on this matter. Whatever is my understanding, I will not give any forward statement that this stock will become like this or it might boom or whatever might happen. So I'm just, if I am giving you some kind of stocks or taking out names, so this will be just for reference, all right. I just want to give you some data on the basis of past history so that you get clarity, because at this time you are very nervous and tense because of how you feel that my entire portfolio has turned red and I will never be able to make money in life. I mean, it would have been better if I had made FD or done this or that. Small caps have fallen very low. Equity is falling literally, touching its bottom low, have fallen below 20, 30. So after seeing all these things, let us take a, firm stand from the past, that what when such situation come in the past, this is not the first time, right? India has come a long way. The stock market and all, right? So multiple times. So I gave you two, three example that when this situation has come in the past, how much time has the market generally taken to rebound? So for all these things, stay still till the end of this video and subscribe to the channel and definitely press the bell icon. You will not regret it, right? I am telling you this. So hello friends, I am Raj, you know, your business, finance, whatever you wanna say, passive income coach kind of a thing, or your brother. So all right. So in this video, I will be telling you guys about the market falling and why this is happening, as I told you. So this video is only for educational purposes only, and all my decisions, all your decision will be your own, right? So as I mentioned earlier. So let's start with this. You can see on your screen, or the condition of Nifty 50 is very bad, right? I was trading today and I found out about like the market is still, at least it's moving, showing some good response. If you look at the return of one day, that is just yesterday, then in a single day the market has fallen by, I mean 2 points, and that is around 420 points, right? For 420 points, not 2 day, 2 days ago. If I am talking about 2 days ago, then the market has fallen about 420 points. That's quite a huge number, right? I don't know why this number of 420 is coming, but a huge fall was seen in a single day, due to which the portfolio of many people have turned red. It's being said that about 8 lakh crore has been wiped out from the market because of this. So you can see here that Nifty 50 has fallen by 420 points, Sensex has fallen about 1400 points, and Nifty Bank has fallen. Nifty IT has fallen a lot. And why has it fallen? Because Trump Dada has troubled everyone. Like, Mr. Trump, right? The Donald Trump, Mr. Trump. Yeah. They feel that this is also some H1 visa. They will pay it, due to which IT companies will suffer losses. By the way, let me tell you that yesterday 51% of the revenue of TCS and Oscosys.in comes from USA. So now you can understand that if something goes wrong in the US or there is a change in rules, so there will be a huge impact on the revenue of TCS and Infosys. That is why IT, worried, and IT is down at 4. So BSC small cap is down at 2 because small cap companies have been hit hard. So small cap usually they do take a lot of hit, as you know. At this time, if you look at the global market yesterday, because Trump and Zelensky had, I mean, 2 days ago, so Zelensky and Trump they had, might have some sort of understand. A lot of videos are going viral in which Trump Dada is scolding Zelensky a bit. Trump Bhai Saab, he works according to his own will. He has different kind of systems, so because of the market got a little positive of move, so yesterday there was selling of around 100 or around 12,000 crore something, but at the same time our domestic institution investors have buying of rupees 14,000 crore, I mean, has been done so far. So I am telling all this data, so 2 3 days previous, okay, so bear with that, but I will also be giving you guys reference of yesterday and today if needed. So Nifty has fallen around 151 points, would have fallen straight to 2000 point. All right, so now it's around 24 or 2500. um by the way, there's a range I would like to tell you, which is called Mangal. So first of all, Mangal is where the big hedge funds investors money, right? They invest at that level. So the first fall is 10. So when Nifty fell to 10, the hedge fund would have invested more money as it is normal. But after that, Nifty kept falling again. So the second level is 17, right? Which we call 17. You get my point, right? That is whatever comes at 17 from the top around 21,800. So if it comes to 21,800, then the fund manager will become very active here, and there are changes to pumping a lot of money. The next fall will come after they will do more of that. So what do they do? Like, what if the fall is 10? Then if we invest 1 crore and it falls to 17, then we will invest 2 crores, something like that. So they have got certain kind of math and all. So as the fall increases, they invest more because they think opposite to you and me, right? So if you have seen my past video, I have also said that. So you need to think out of the book. We sell our goods during the fall and get stressed. So that is what you shouldn't be doing. You need to hold your horses, right? They start buying goods during the fall. That's how you get wealthy. All right. So I will tell you the reason why they buy along with the history. So these were all the data points that have happened today. Come to the market and understand in detail what the reasons are. So here, if we see now, Wall Street has climbed a little better because Friday is over and I am shooting a video on today is right, today is Thursday, right? So I'm shooting almost after a few days of the script has been made, right? So I also wanted to do it tomorrow, but I wanted to see the reaction of US market, so I stopped. So Wall Street has gone around 200 points, and the matter of Zelensky, Trump has resolved a little bit, I would say. That is why I think that the market may open well on Monday. I mean, Monday it was open, I guess, not Monday, but Tuesday, say the market started moving as far as I can remember. I don't know, but this one, the series of good news and bad news, if we see here, Krishna from Marshall VR says Marshall is, a very big portfolio management service and company. If if three risks play out in the market correction, what are those three risks? He looks at them according to him. First is the current domestic slowdown, which means that the domestic slowdown has affected Indians' consumption. And second, if there are continued tariff related problems, which Trump tariff, he's saying that he will impose a reciprocal tariff from April, which means that means you will have to play with the tune, right? So the more I play your tune, the more something like that. I'll just break it to you. So this is his policy to come. And third, This is equity investors, especially new investors, have not seen a meaningful correction. Then, if they start redemption or out of fear, you start withdrawing money from your mutual fund, then the market can correct further. So, if these three things play out, then the market correction, can happen to 10 to 15%. This is what Mr. Krishna says anyway. Brother, these three risks are very, big in the market right now. Well, the market is bad right now. So there are 900 such stocks that, have hit 52 weeks low, which means you can understand that there are around 67,000 stocks in the entire stock market, out of which 900 that is. Wow, that impresses me. Around 15% stocks are today trading at 52 weeks low. I mean, they're still at low, but considering the current scenario, lowest price in the 1 year, they have been, beaten so badly. Now, the question is that if the reciprocal tariff is imposed, as I said earlier, if all this happens, then how much loss will India suffer? Pretty big, huh? To understand this a little, we have to see what they are saying, that there will be a loss of 2 to 7 billion dollars. So if we also take the top line of 7 billion dollars, which means we have suffered a loss of 7 billion dollars, then you have to understand that India's exports are around 4 to 500 billion dollars. So out of that, there will be loss of 7 billion. So that is around 2%, I guess. And you can see here that they are saying that India's export to US are around 60 billion. By the way, let me just tell you that China's exports are, if it's 700 billion, then there is such a big difference between India and China. From April to December, it's 60 billion. So obviously, if some more is added the remaining months, then it will reach to 70 to 71 billion, and here a loss of 2 to 7 billion dollars can be seen. I mean, all we are reading in dollars, right? The overall impact of this tariff policy, see, has escalated a lot. They are saying that at most there can be difference of 5 to 10 basis point in the GDP. So earlier my dad was also saying that US gonna impose some taxes and all, so tariff taxes and all. So their statement was like US, it's time to get rich or something like that. I was hearing this news from some sort of place. So 5 to 10 basic point means the difference of 0.05 to 0.01%. So one thing that share the came this share that came the it's not a big share, but it is very small impact in India. But obviously the impact is on some specific sectors, as you know, and some specific companies. In these, the two big sectors that always play out whenever the US does something are pharmaceutical and technology. As you know, IT sector really plays a lot of stuff in this market. So you have already seen that there was a beating in the technology and pharmaceutical, because India's biggest export is a pharmaceutical. If India sells goods worth one in medicine, then it sells good worth one to US. Now, if you do not know all these things, if you do not know, then you can tell us in the comment box, like what you are learning in this video. Like, this video takes a lot of time to create and all, even though I am not putting so much of edits and all, even though I own agencies and all, I can really put edits over here, but I'm just keeping it a raw, totally just script and just the basic that I am seeing over here in the market, and just declaring all the news and all my feelings, everything. So look, whether the market is going bad or good, this Elon Musk brother keeps doing something new. He has just had a 14th child with his fourth wife, I guess. So many congratulations to him for having 14th XYZ or something children. He names them in a very dramatic way, I believe. The complete list of those children and their mother is given somewhere. So if you feel like it, you can go read the article somewhere. I will provide the link if you want to. Right. So anyway, coming back to our topic, an article is saying that this is not the only reason for the Trump tariff, and I have also explained to you that the loss that we are facing due to the Trump tariff is of 5 paise at the most. That is 0.05 to 1.1. That will be the maximum, right? So they are saying that the small cap and mid cap companies of India have suffered a lot of, I mean, because of them in them. So valuation had increased due to which the market has corrected and fundamentals are still very strong for economy. And definitely this is truly because of GDP numbers that have come around 6.6, I believe. India is about to reach $4 trillion GDP. I mean, isn't that obvious? India is booming right now. It has already reached 3.9. So the thing that what happened first, a lot of money was pumped out, then a small mid cap ran away. So they took little break. Just like when we climb a mountain, we have to take little break while climbing a mountain. So they took a little break. Now there is a dip in the Chinese market, which did it come because of China said that I will retail, brother. I am not afraid of Trump's extra tariff threat. I will retail beyond this. And what happened after that? The China market fell a little, not that much. Now we see how much it fell. So if you see here, the Chinese market has fallen to 3 almost 28 in a day. And let us tell you an interesting thing about Chinese market. In the last 6 months, a lot of money has been made in this Chinese market. They gave a return of 29 to the people. If we look at the year to date, that is from now, the Chinese market has given a very good return of around 16% in the 2 months from January to Feb. It's incredible though. But let me tell you one thing, the last 5 years, the Chinese market has given negative returns. That is, for the last 5 years, the person who has, has been sitting in the Chinese market has been earning negative returns. So earning in negative, it's pretty, sad for us as retail investor, right? So something it takes times for the market to rebound and make money. So this does not mean that you have to leave the pitch. The major things is that if you leave the pitch, you will lose all the opportunities because you can never buy at this point in life and sell at this point. This is impossible. It's impossible to even think about it. So only by staying strong you can earn profit. Because of this market crash, there has been a lot of plenty of lakh crores in a single days. As you know, you might have also lost certain amounts. Do let me know in the comment section that how much are you you know uh, negative running or whatever you are doing. Well, if you have listened to one expert, now listen to other expert as well. I literally like enjoy it well, idle wise, something. So Nifty, like Shah Rukh Khan, bad patches to come, but the delivery most of the time, that is delivery most of the time, and you always have to remember the time he delivers, that is time in which we will get return. So yeah, so some sayings never get old, right? So some sayings are always there. I will give you an example why I feel that the certain statement correct that the market Nifty like Shah Rukh Khan, it can fail, but it also moves forward consistently. So let's check and go to the past history of our Nifty. In Nifty, I will show you when the big falls have happened in the past. Big fall means a fall of 15 to 20% came, and how much time did it take to regain the level? So see, 15 to 20% in equity means a huge difference, right? As you know, that is like, understand, if it fell below 20,000 and came below 15,000, then how much time did it take to come back to 2000 20,000? There have been many such scenarios. This is not the first time, right? The first time that the market have been behaving like this. So if you measure this old fall, you will see that from here to there, there was a fall that is of 6 to almost 10%. There was a fall in Nifty and it had to rebound after 1 month. So like that means it's roughly around like it takes six times more time, as I told you, 6 months. It will take 6 months to recover. I mean, it took 6 months. So when last time the market Nifty corrected from 10, it came back within 6 months. So let's see how it goes. So if I'm not wrong, so we are seeing this fall since December, right? Since earlier my portfolio was around 30% off, and now it's 30% down, 30 to 35%. So like that was quick recovery, huh? What did I mean, when did this happen? Let's also see at the approximate time when, like, what was the situation? If you look from here, from this point, Nifty had fallen around 17. Okay, it fell gradually, so people did not get scared much. So if I were to, give you medicine in such a way that you will die certainly, you will not realize it. But if I slow poisoning, you will die. You will die, ultimately you will die, but you will not feel that kind of hatred or something like that. So it fell gradually till 17, and after that when it rebound, it took 12 months, that is from 12 months to rebound. So when it fell back to 15, but it rebounded in 12 months, so around 1 year. So I am repeatedly showing you this. It falls and comes back. So last time you saw it 6 months ago, the first small fall, this one fall 12 months ago. If you look at the fall of COVID, it fell from here and fell till here, and it recovered here. So fall in COVID took 11 months for the market. So that time also the investment and all, it went pretty down. All right. Now let us look at the big falls that has happened in the past. If you look at it, it constantly big falls since 2015. I have been investing since like 2018, I believe. So I remember this problem was very big. We were very, saddened that so much money is lost in the market. My father was investing from early age. So Nifty fell to 23 in a span of 11 months. It fell 23 for it to rebound. You can roughly understand that it rebounded around here. So it took 26 months, that is around 2 years, for the market to reach that point again from 2nd March 2002, um, something like that, 2017, I mean 2015 to 2017. For these 2 years, if I am not wrong, nobody earned any return because of the market was going and behaving in this kind of manner. I hope you like it. I hope you like the commentary that I have provided, even though I have not added any kind of edits. And if you see, you can see like Nifty fell till 27. Okay, from 2010 to 2011 it fell to 27 over the span of 13 months. That's impressive. So I was not there in that time of the market. I was probably in school or somewhere doing whatever. So in between there was like up and down. So people did not feel the pain. What happened this time? It has been going down continuously for 4 5 consecutive months. So people are feeling scared and all. Now, when did this rebound happen? Let us let us see, when did this rebound happen, when this level was crossed. Yes, now you see it took 35 years, that is 3 years, for the market to rebound the particular fall. So this was it, and last one, and we will show you the last 1 year was here. See, see this one, the fell of 28, 2008 was massive, right? History till date. So if you took at it, fall of around 60%, and if you look at the main level of it broke, it took around 3 years to come back, that is around 60 to 69 months, that is 5 years to break up and run. But if you do not stop here, you will not be able to buy units at a lower price. If you are not able to buy units at a lower price, you will not be able to take benefits in the future. Now is the time to buy, as I have been saying. If you have money, like you don't bother about it. If you have so much money that you can leave it to rot, so that is the money you put in the stock market, until and unless stock market is your like bread and butter. So history has proven time and again market will go down. Sometimes they will go down sharply, sometimes they will go flat in such a manner, and they will come back in such a manner Anyway, in between, if there are sharp rebound, it can come back in 6 months. Otherwise, it can take 3 years and 4 years, and sometimes 5 years, depending on the quantity of the drop. Right. So now 20 to 30%. My belief is April, the mid of this year, the prices should be, getting normalized and all. April, March, May, till May, it should be getting at least a level. I have been in the market since then, like 2018, I believe. I am making profit today. I have also, booked losses. So it's a long-term game. It is important to stay in the market for a long time and observe it. If you try to, time to time, you will not be able to take money. If you spend time in the market, you will be able to make a lot of money. So I don't have any forward looking opinion in this. I don't know when the market will rebound. I am not an expert. I am not an economist, but I know that no economy becomes very rich from the stock market because they keep thinking, and those who do not think and forget or invest with discipline, they definitely create wealth for themselves. So friends, through this video I just wanted to tell you what is the major reason for the market falling. Is it okay or not? Apart from that, the Indian economy is strong right now. I believe we are, doing a lot of improvements and all. The results have come out fine. The GDP has come out good and will increase further. So it's a good thing. Consumption is emotional, and the long-term market is fundamental. So people get emotional over this minor things, even though it's not minor, get tensed and start pulling money out of the stock market. So do not do that in the market. I am warning you. You will lose all your wealth. So stay, and if you have, invested, if you have invested any money which was your emergency fund, or which was very important for you, due to which your, house is not running, then definitely you can withdraw money from the market so that at least you can do that thing. Otherwise, the money that needs to be put in the market should always be put after your emergency fund and insurance, so that you can forget about that money for a long time. So this was my whole story through which I explained to you, how was my experience from the market, and you can check out the other videos as well. And if you want to start trading in the forex, I have provided you the link below. You can also, start trading. If you want some suggestions and levels and all, some minute details will be provided over the Telegram. You can join it definitely. So yeah, you should stay in the market. You get good growth in the long term. And on which topic I should be making video, do tell me. I have made a whole series of mutual funds in trading and all. If you can check the previous videos, I've also shared my losses and ventures. Apart from that, I have also told that if you are an aggressive investor, if you are conservative investor, then how should you invest? Definitely tell me this also. So definitely watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your mutual friend, or whoever you think will be impressed. Or yeah, that's pretty much it. So share this video with everyone or your friends. Remain in the market, stay put. Definitely like it. And till the next video, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Bye bye. Peace out. Signing off.